Remember Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto's online press briefing with FOCAP and this happened?
The question on full lockdown, definitely we will not shut down establishments that are selling food and other necessary supplies. Mas magiging magulo yun. That will cause a lot of social unrest, and we can't have people starving in their homes.
Vic Sotto joked his son about it when they had a Facebook chat on his birthday.
Maganda yung picture mo. Parang kamukha mo yung picture dyan sa likod. Wala ba nakahubad na yun? Walang bold.
Vico shared he had second thoughts about using Zoom to greet his father.
Sabi nga ng producer niyo, mag-zoom daw tayo. Sabi ko, sigurado ba kayong gusto niyo mag-zoom? Maraming hacking daw ngayon.
Check dito. Yung silang ang bold dito.
Inakabahan na ako mag-zoom eh.
Vico made time in his busy schedule to join Eat Bulaga's Facebook Live celebration for his father.
Maraming salamat sa lahat. Alam mo naman, since bata ako, you always make time for me. And kami lahat, magkakapatid. Kahit na busy ka, kahit di tayo sa isang bahay nakatira, talagang grabe yung effort mo. Lalo na nung bata ako, to spend time with us sa lahat ng kailangan namin, kahit sa school, kahit nga yung mga play, kahit wala akong linya sa play, nanonood ka pa rin. Kaya maraming salamat at hopefully this quarantine matapos na para magkita-kita na rin tayo.
The mayor's father replied,
Tuloy mo lang yung mabuting trabaho mo. We're proud of you.
Thank you.
Siyempre, mag-iingat ka. Parati kang naka-expose sa
labas.
Yes.
Doble ingat lang.
Yes.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.